Hello techie lovers, hope you guys are doing. Before we'll start, here's what you will learn in this video part 6. You will understand what deep sleep is on the ESP32, how it saves massive battery life, how to wake up your ESP32 using timer, touch pin or even external button. By the end, you will know how your ESP32 sleep smart and wake up only when you want it to. So let's get started. Let's first understand what deep sleep is in ESP32. ESP32 has a special power saving mode called deep sleep. In deep sleep mode, the ESP32 shuts down almost everything: CPU, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and peripherals. Only a tiny part stays active, just enough to wake the ESP32 again. But how deep sleep saves massive battery life? When ESP32 is running normally, it consumes power in milliamps. But in deep sleep, power consumption drops to microamps. That means a battery that lasts a few days can last months or even years. One very important thing beginners must know: when ESP32 wakes up from deep sleep, it starts fresh, like a reset. The program starts again from setup function. So deep sleep is not pause, it's off and on again. Now let's see a real example using a timer. Here ESP32 will wake up, print a message, sleep for 5 seconds and wake up again. Every time ESP32 wakes up, it prints this message, then goes back to deep sleep again. ESP32 also supports touch pins. When ESP32 is in deep sleep, touching a touch pin can wake up it instantly. This is useful for touch-based switches and panels. Another common method is using a button. When the button is pressed, ESP32 wakes up from deep sleep. Only special pins called RTC GPU pins can be used for wake up. In real projects, ESP32 spends most of the time sleeping. It wakes up only when a timer expires, a touch pin is pressed, or a button is pressed. It does its work quickly, prints data, and goes back to deep sleep. That is how massive battery savings happen. Hope you guys understood. We'll meet in my next video. Till then, stay happy and healthy.